How we can find derivative of a function at point A, f of A? We can use these two formulas. F prime equals limit of fa plus h minus fa over h as h goes to 0. Or we can use f prime equals limit of f of x minus f of a over x minus a as x goes to a, if these two limits they exist. But if I ask you to find the derivative of function at any x, so f prime equals limit of f of x plus h minus f of x over h as h goes to 0. Let's see first example. If I ask you to find the derivative of f of x equals x squared at any value of x, we use this formula. Let's find derivative at any value of x is limit of x plus h squared minus x squared over h as h goes to 0 equals limit of, you expand first bracket, is x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus x squared over h as h goes to 0. You can cancel x squared by minus x squared equals limit of h, let's see, limit of 2xh plus h squared over h as h goes to 0 equals limit of, you can factor h, so it's 2x plus h over h as h goes to 0. We always factor h because we need to simplify h in denominator. Now you say h goes to 0, so it's 2x plus 0 because this h goes to 0. So answer is 2x. So it means derivative of f equals 2x. Let's see another example. If f of x equals 1 over x, if I ask you to find the derivative of this function, you say f prime at any value of x, f prime equals 1 over x plus h. Why? Because f of x plus h equals 1 over x plus h, and f of x is 1 over x over h as h goes to 0 equals, okay, when I work on rational functions, when I have fractions, first step I just write my limit like this over h, because it's very large and long fraction, is better you factor 1 over h, and then you find common denominator, which is x plus h times x. So you multiply first fraction by x and second fraction by x plus h. So is x minus x plus h. Then you can write it as x, you remove the bracket, is minus x minus h. You can cancel x by minus x, sorry, equals limit of 1 over h minus h over x times x plus h. As I expected, now I see h in both numerator and denominator. I need to cancel h, okay. So equals limit of 1 times negative 1, so it's minus 1 over x times x plus h as h goes to 0 equals minus 1 over x times x plus 0 because h goes to 0 equals minus 1 over x squared. So if f of x equals 1 over x, as you see, derivative equals minus 1 over x squared. Let's see one more example. Let's write f of x equals x cubed. If I ask you to find derivative at -1, we can use this formula. F prime at -1 equals f of x minus f of -1 over x minus -1 as x goes to -1 equals, so f of x is x cubed and f of -1 equals -1. So it's -1 over x plus 1, because negative times negative is positive, as x goes to -1 equals limit of x cubed plus 1 over x plus 1 as x goes to -1. Okay, here I need to find x plus 1 in both numerator and denominator and cancel. I'm looking for common factor. Let's see how we can factor numerator. You need to remember a cubed plus b cubed formula is a plus equals a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. Okay, let's use this formula and factor. Numerator is limit of x plus 1 times x squared minus x plus 1 over x plus 1. As x goes to -1, you can cancel x plus 1 by x plus 1 equals limit of x squared minus x plus 1 as x goes to -1 equals -1 squared minus -1 plus 1 equals 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals +3. So f prime at -1 equals 3.